everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Now, as you guys know, Jordan Manila is opening the first flagship Jordan brand store here in the Philippines. And to celebrate it, they came out with the Jordan 4 Retro Manila, which has been reselling for a ridiculous price point. In fact, I did a vlog a couple of days back and I mentioned that the going price for it is $7,000 to $9,000. It's roughly 350 to 450,000 pesos. Now, the release already happened. People claimed their pairs and something interesting happened. Nike Philippines or Jordan Manila actually forced people who bought the shoe, who won the raffle, to wear the sneaker. And some of them were even asked to play basketball or shoot a few hoops on the court, which was located at the top of the building of the Jordan Manila shop. Now, those were all rumors initially, and then I saw this video clip. So I'll play the clip very quickly so you guys can see it. I saw this on Facebook. That footage was from Alvin Beltran. I asked his permission to show it to you guys in this video, and he graciously said yes. So to those who are wondering if it was true, kung totoo nga that Jordan Manila asked people who won the raffle to wear the shoes and play some basketball, the answer to that is an absolute yes. Grabe, ang insane, ang wild. Now, there were other rumors. Apparently, some rumors circulated that people were asked to take photos with the shoe, wearing the shoe. I can't confirm that, but I did see a lot of photos of people wearing the sneaker being taken. So probably that's a high chance na totoo nga yun. Another interesting rumor that I heard was that resellers are actually camped out of Jordan Manila, and they were waiting for people who won the raffle to come out, and they made spot cash offers for people who won the raffle. Now, I think that's actually true because I know a couple of people who won the raffle and they mentioned to me na ganun nga yung situation. When they walked out, some people were actually there offering to buy the shoes off them for a certain price. Before we proceed, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Glorify. If you're looking to create beautiful images or promotional materials for your online shop, your blog, your vlog, but you don't necessarily have the skills for it, I have the perfect app for you. Glorify app allows you to create stunning photos and images as if pina-edit mo sa designer. It's easy to use and it's definitely for everyone. The great news is they recently launched their version 2.0 and there's a lifetime deal available. So if you purchase it now, you can use the Glorify app for your entire lifespan. O, diba? Panalo. So make sure to grab the lifetime deal if this is the app that you want to use for your everyday design work. Now, if you guys want to check out the Glorify app, the link can be found down below to the web-based tool. I tried it myself. Very intuitive, very easy, very helpful. So we get to the fun part. What do I think about it? What is my reaction? Well, number one, saludo kay Nike Philippines and kay Jordan Brand Manila, Jordan Brand Philippines for doing something like that. It takes a lot of conviction to do something like that, especially given the publicity and the hype behind the Jordan 4 Retro Manila sneaker. Now, I understand the issue is polarizing. I know that some resellers are really pissed, or people who just want to flip it are kind of pissed with the situation kasi obviously wearing the shoe devalues it. But if you ask me, not really, kasi all 150 are used. So you can still sell it for whatever price you want because at the end of the day, it's like 150 pairs. It's just 150 pairs. And having said that, it's really their store, their rules. So if they want to do that, if they want to force you to wear the shoes when you win a raffle and you buy it, well, that's how it goes. Ganun talaga yun. Now, if you are against it, if you don't like it, you have a recourse. You can file a complaint to DTI and see where it goes. I honestly don't know if DTI will entertain it or if it will play out to something more than, something significant. But you have a recourse. If you really take umbrage and talaga naasar kayo, na pinilit kayong suotin yung sapatos, di subukan nyo. Wala namang mawawala sa inyo. Well, may mawawala sa inyo. Oras at effort. But hey, if it really matters so much to you, then you guys can do that. But again, ultimately, I think that it's their shop, it's their rules, and they really wanted the pairs to go to people who wouldn't flip and sell it. Nakalagay nga dun sa rules, di ba, of copying the pair. Parang if they find out that you sold it, you will be disqualified for future Jordan Brand Manila releases. So that was really the intent, the spirit behind the release here in the Philippines. So again, yun yung gusto nila. iba yung gusto ninyo, di ba? Gusto ninyong ibenta. So kung gusto ninyo ibenta, ganun talaga yung situation, di ba? Wala naman mangyayari kung magreklamo at magreklamo the whole day. So again, you have a course of action if you want to take it. Not that I'm saying that it will lead to anything significant. Now, to those who still want to buy the Jordan 4 Manila, despite it being resale, I checked the different resellers who have it on stock, and yeah, a lot of the famous resellers are actually selling it, and the prices range anywhere from 300 to 350,000. So hindi rin naman nagbago. So yun nga yung nakakatawa, people were complaining and really throwing a fit about it, but at the end of the day, the price is still ridiculously high. So if you still want to buy one at the 300 to 350,000 peso price range, just hit up your favorite resellers and I'm sure they can find a way. So what do you guys think of what Jordan Brand Manila did? Do you think that it was right? Do you think that it was wrong? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you guys. Sa tingin ba ninyo tama yung ginawa nila na pinilit yung mga taong isuot yung sapatos when they won the raffle, or do you feel that it really is up to the buyer what they want to do with the shoe, if they want to flip it or if they want to wear it? So let me know in the comment section, guys. I'd love to hear from all of you. I'd love to see a great discussion happening in the comments. But let me just remind everybody that I know that this is a polarizing issue. I know that people are kind of torn about it. So please just be respectful, okay? Huwag tayong maging bastos sa comments. Before we wrap up the vlog, let me just remind all of you, guys, may pag-giveaway tayo. Christmas giveaway courtesy of Realme Philippines. We're giving away the brand new Realme X50 Pro 5G flagship tier device, 865 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 5G connectivity. We're also giving away the Realme Buds Air Pro and the Realme Watch S. 3 devices, 3 giveaways, 3 winners. Watch the video link down below for the mechanics. Panoodin nyo yun. The mechanics are there. I will be drawing the winner on December 12. So make sure that you guys join our initial Christmas giveaway. I'll be doing more Christmas giveaways throughout December. So make sure that you watch every vlog that comes out every day here on the channel. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the quick vlog. I'll take a look at the comments. I'll reply to as much as I can. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.